Hi, I'm David Dietrich from EMC Education Services. Digital data is growing at an explosive rate. In the next decade, data is expected to grow more than tenfold, with most of this growth coming from a variety of non-structured data sources. Organizations will continue looking for innovative ways to mine text and social media data to supplement and transform more traditional analytics, and they'll be challenged to find ways to exploit this data for a competitive advantage like never before. This data explosion requires organizations to enrich their skills to be able to mine data in creative ways and drive new value. As we reach this inflection point, we are also experiencing an intense shortage of data scientists, people with the right mix of skills to capitalize on the opportunity that big data presents. It is clear that we as business leaders and IT professionals have a responsibility to expand knowledge and skills beyond traditional business intelligence and enter the realm of data science to address the demands of big data. There are 5 main competency and behavioral characteristics for data scientists: quantitative ability, technical aptitude, skeptical, to be able to evaluate their own solutions in an objective way, communicative and collaborative, to interact with a variety of business and technical stakeholders to convey the business value of their findings, and curious and creative. They need to be passionate about data and analytics. To build these core skills of a data scientist, we've created a unique open course called Data Science and Big Data Analytics, which will focus on enhancing these skills. By focusing on concepts and open source technologies rather than products, we are offering the opportunity to develop data scientist skills that can apply to any vendor's environment. Key elements covered in this course include how a data scientist approaches analytical challenges, foundational and advanced analytical methods for data mining and predictive analytics, using both structured and unstructured data, tools and technologies for analytics and data mining, creating final project deliverables, including a framework for developing a compelling narrative story with the data. In this course, you'll first explore our progression to big data from a broader context, including the technology and business drivers, definitions, and key considerations. Next, you'll learn how data scientists approach analytical problems using illustrative examples of data scientists using analytics to drive new value across multiple verticals. After understanding the context and opportunities that big data provides, you'll learn an end-to-end process for approaching data analytics projects. This approach will guide you in best practices for initiating a new project, evaluating available data, performing analysis, and producing the final deliverables. Following the introduction of the analytics lifecycle will be an introduction to the R software and programming language. We will begin by reinforcing foundational statistical methods, then introduce more advanced techniques for data mining and predictive modeling using several open source tools such as R, Postgres, and Greenplum Community Edition. We will also teach you how to run these techniques in database, so you learn how to achieve the best performance with the analysis. You will learn about MapReduce and some examples implementing this using Hadoop and the Hadoop ecosystem of tools. Lastly, you'll have the opportunity to apply what you've learned in an extensive case study using big data sets and the techniques learned during the course. As part of this, you will learn firsthand how to create deliverables for operationalizing an analytics project. This includes how to write a compelling narrative summary using best practices for data visualization. All of the course objectives are reinforced by a pragmatic, hands-on approach. Students will spend substantial time applying the concepts they learn in the course through case study-based exercises and best practices. Importantly, the course prepares you for the EMC Proven Professional Data Science and Big Data Analytics Associate exam. Candidates who successfully pass the exam achieve the EMC Proven Professional Data Science and Big Data Analytics Associate certification. For more information on the Data Science and Big Data Analytics Associate course, including prerequisites, available modes of training, and where to register for the exam, visit education.emc.com.